Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Homes.com for rental estimate workflows, beginner guide step-by-step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to Homes.com. Once the page loads, look for the sign up or register button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on that button to proceed to the registration page. Fill in the required fields with your personal information, including your name, email address, and a secure password. After completing the fields, review the terms and conditions, then check the box to agree. Next, click the Create Account button to finalize your registration. Once your account is created, check your email for a confirmation link from Homes.com. Open the email and click on the confirmation link to activate your account. After activating, return to the Homes.com homepage and log in using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard where you can access various tools. Look for the section related to rental estimates or rental workflows. Click on that section to explore the features available for general. You may be prompted to enter details about the property you're estimating. Provide the necessary information, such as the property's address, square footage, and number of bedrooms. After entering the details, click the Get Estimate or similar button to generate your rental estimate. Review the information provided in the estimate, which may include market comparisons and suggested rental prices. If you wish to save or share your estimate, look for the available options on the page. Finally, familiarize yourself with additional resources or tutorials offered by Homes.com for further assistance. With these steps, you are now ready to use Homes.com for your rental estimate workflows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.